Welcome back to Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, a truck that blends off-road capability with premium features and serious performance. If you're looking for a rugged full-size pickup that doesn't compromise on luxury and technology, this one's definitely worth considering. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Silverado ZR2 has a bold and aggressive design, built to handle anything you throw at it. The front fascia features a blacked-out grille with flow-tie badging, a signature look for Chevy's off-road models. It's flanked by sleek LED headlights with daytime running lights that give it a modern and aggressive stance. The bumper is uniquely designed with cutouts for better approach angles, and you'll notice the integrated red tow hooks, which are not just for show but ready for serious recovery situations. Moving to the side, the Silverado ZR2 comes with massive 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory mud-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch black aluminum wheels. The wider stance and factory lift provide an extra 2 inches of ground clearance, making off-roading a breeze. The wheel arches are flared, giving it a muscular look while protecting against debris on rough trails. Chevy also includes rock sliders to protect the underbody, a feature that serious off-roaders will appreciate. At the rear, there's a unique ZR2 badge, a dual exhaust system, and Chevrolet's Multiflex tailgate, which offers multiple configurations for easier cargo loading and access. Stepping inside, Chevrolet has stepped up the game with a combination of durability and luxury. The ZR2 gets a premium cabin with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smoother, with an improved Google-powered voice assistant that makes navigation, music selection, and even climate control effortless. The seats are leather-trimmed with contrast stitching, offering excellent bolstering for both comfort and support, whether you're on the highway or tackling a rocky trail. Heated and ventilated front seats come standard, and the rear seats offer ample legroom, making this a great option for both work and family use. A premium Bose sound system is available, delivering crisp audio quality, and multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging ensure your devices stay powered. The center console is spacious, offering plenty of storage for your essentials. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado ZR2 packs serious power. It comes with a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers smooth power delivery, whether you're towing, hauling, or climbing rocky terrain. The ZR2 is also equipped with Multimatic DSSV dampers, a technology borrowed from racing that provides incredible off-road capability without sacrificing on-road comfort. The truck features front and rear electronic locking differentials, giving it superior traction on challenging terrain. With a towing capacity of up to 8,900 pounds, the Silverado ZR2 is as capable as it is rugged. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 starts at around $72,000. However, with additional options like the premium Bose sound system, power sunroof, and extra off-road accessories, the price can climb to around $80,000. While it's on the higher end of the spectrum, you're getting a truck that competes with the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX, offering a balance of off-road toughness and everyday usability. So, is the 2025 Silverado ZR2 worth it? If you're looking for a full-size truck that can conquer tough trails while providing modern tech and comfort, this one checks all the boxes. What do you think about the new Silverado ZR2? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Plus Reviews. Thanks for watching.